Look, they're moving. They're moving. Oh my god, look at them. Look at how they fly. Oh god, this dog is gonna bite me again. Like, okay, bossy, you guys, look at. Oh, look at the hens. Now here's the rooster. You can see him just looking at. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. And it's gonna be making noise again because it's. Look how they got big. Man, they got big already. Now, oh my god, oh my god, look at that baby, because I don't even remember. Good, they're all grown up. You're just, oh my god, oh my god, you better leave. Now let's film the Sherman Shepherds. Look, and they're going away. Look, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, that's pretty cool. He's flying. It's pretty cool. It's cool. Now let's go. This is cool. Now let's film them in. Now, let's see, what is this one? Now let's do this. I can't even film anymore. Oh my god. That was so cool. Yeah, this is how it sounds like. And this one's missing its horn. And here's this one. This one's missing its horn. Yeah, it is missing its horn. And look at and the hens are making noise. Yeah, the hens are making noise, and the rooster too. No, here comes this dog. Oh, whatever. Look at that. Oh, look at that novel. Oh, let's see. Shop right here. She's so shy. What the hell? Oh, look at them. They're looking at me. I'll be a dog. It makes a cool sound in the night. Look at how. The hens are making the rooster's so loud. Come on, do it again. We have to do it again. Come on, do it again. Come on, do that again. Oh my god, look at it. It's gonna make it sound again. Look at. Now let's just making. Now let's film them. This one's gonna make sound again. Hope it does, because look at it. It makes. Watch, this will make sound again. Look how big it is. He's so big. Yeah. Look at them. Look how big they are. It's just the flying birds. So now time to go. Look at this. Now I'm just playing on my tablet. I might just. What the hell are they even doing? Come on, make the sound. Okay. I know, because. Okay, what you trying to say? That's cool. That's cool sound. So that's all for right now, but this is gonna be a very long video. Whoa. The other ones are in the back. Now, let's go ahead and go to the German Shepherd. Also, I wanted to say these are my grandpa's roller doors. Shut up! Oh my god. Shut up! Oh my god, this rooster is annoying. Look at this dog is gonna bite me again. Look at that. And I'm about to. They're pretty nice. But they're very heavy. I can't even lift them correctly. Now let's film with them. Now I go inside because what the hell are you doing? Oh my god. What are you even doing? Stop it. Oh my god, stop it, Noah. What the hell are you doing? Oh, what the hell are you doing? Oh my god, you knocked that off! Oh my god, knock that off! Just, what the fuck? Oh, my bitches on now. As you can see, they're looking at the camera. So yeah, that's all for right now. Have any questions? If you have any questions, come. Yeah, I'm doing. See you there, but look at that. And this dog keeps biting me. This guy's nice. He protects me. So see you later, but look. Well, before I go, I have to show these. Look at it. It's eating a plant. What the fuck? What the hell is it doing? So, this is all for now. And look at this one. Oh my god, look at it. It's eating the plant. And there's my grandpa's Toyota. Now look at that. Now that's all for now. Peace out.